Hello everyone and welcome back in Lockdown Cooking, where we try to cook with what's left in the cupboard or in the fridge, or when we try to cook with things when there is a lack of ingredients in the supermarkets. This has been a request by a few parents actually. They said that they couldn't find any Tikka Masala paste in the supermarkets to try the recipe that I've put in the enrichment folder, the recipe that the Year 7s have done this year and the Year 8s have done last year. So if you'd like to look for the recipe, go and dig in the enrichment folder online. Today I'm just going to teach you how to make the paste itself from scratch, just using the amount of ingredients needed here. So what are we going to need today? We are going to need vegetable oil, tomato puree, garlic cloves, 2 of them, thumb size ginger. We are going to use ground almonds, something that I've used as well with the cakes that I've posted online on YouTube, which is the financier cakes, so you can use this for that. We are going to use some coconut flour. These two you will find in the bakery section of the supermarkets. So coconut flour, paprika, garam masala, bit of fresh coriander if you can find some. If you can't find fresh coriander, just add a little bit of coriander leaves like this one, they last for long at home. Ground coriander and cumin. Now, garam masala is a blend of spices, is a mixture of spices, and basically what I'm doing here is I'm using this one, but I'm going to add a bit of extra. I'm just going to top up with some other spices that we will find in our cupboards, like paprika and cumin. We should have them at home. So it's just, I'll do a top up with my garam masala during this preparation. Okay, so let's get going. You're going to see this is actually really cheap. If you have these things at home, you can do it really quickly, and it's fairly cheap compared to the pastes when you have to buy them already made. And also, last thing before we start, you can put these in a jar and you can leave them in the fridge for a month and you can use them whenever you want. Right, let's get cooking everyone. I've tied my hair, I've washed my hands, I'm all ready to go. Alright, let's do this. It's really not complicated. So we will need some measuring spoons here, and first thing we need is 2 tablespoons, the big one, of oil. We're going to use vegetable oil. Don't use olive oil, because it will give an olive oil taste to it. So just plain vegetable oil. There you go. Okay, that's one done. Then we are going to use tomato paste. And the same again, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1. And okay, then we are going to use 2 tablespoons of ground almond. That's going to start to be really give you a really nice taste. So let's go 1. And 2. Okay, put them on the sides. Okay, what's next? We need some coconut flour. I'm just going to use 1 of this one. If I use too much of it, it will start to taste a bit more like korma. So you can do the same korma paste at home as I'm doing here with the Tikka Masala paste. Okay, 1, nothing more. Okay, then paprika, I like to use smoked paprika for this. It just gives a bit more smoky taste. Same here, 1 tablespoon. Then the famous garam masala, which is, like I said, a blend of spices. Okay, and it tastes really, really good. It's very strong. So just 1 tablespoon of this one. Okay, what's left? Cumin. Like I said, normally you use, normally I'd like to use fresh coriander. Couldn't find any today, so just going to use this. Is dried coriander leaves. It works too. So 1 tablespoon of this one. Okay, now coriander will give a citrusy, nutty taste or flavor, which we like. Okay, nearly done. What's left? Cumin and ground coriander. So with this one, we're not going to go for a tablespoon, just a teaspoon will be okay. So that's the next one. One teaspoon of cumin. Just a bit more. Yes, I like the taste of this. And 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. Okay, smells already really good. Perfect. Okay, the last little things we need is thumb size of ginger. If you don't have this one, you can buy like ground ginger in like in the spice section. You can find that too, so that's fine. So get rid of you just peel it off basically. Let's go it like this. There we go. Okay, just to give my blender a bit of chance, just going to chop it a little bit, just rough, nothing more. He will be able to do the job by itself. I love the smell of this. Same with my garlic. This one was already peeled. Okay, this one wasn't. Okay, remember how we do it. We do the end bits first and then we just peel everything off. Don't cut yourself. Okay, and again, chop it a little bit, nothing more than that. Okay, and that is my mixture. Okay, now let's put it on the go in the blender. Okay, now since it's a bit of a thick paste, you will need to be tapping it a little bit. As a good shot, I'll have to use a teaspoon. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so let's get going. You can see not everything is mixing really well, and that is alright. It's just because it's very thick, it's pasty, it's very consistent. if it was more liquid, it would just sink straight to the bottom. That's alright. Just tap it back to the bottom. Okay. Alright, let's get the spoon out. Can you see from there? Yeah. Okay. Smells really, really good. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'll add a little bit of extra oil just to make it a bit more liquidy, let's say. Nothing more now. That was well, roughly maybe a teaspoon. Okay, let's try again. Look. Okay, now it looks already way better. Proper little paste. Okay, and that is enough. And the smells, wow, it's really nice. Okay, this will be enough. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so to come back to what I was going to say, that is enough for a meal with 4 people. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be doing my rice and I'm going to be doing my chicken like I've taught you guys in school how to do it. I prefer to use coconut milk with this just to mix it, but you can use normal cream, double cream, that can work as well. That will make a really nice curry sauce. So yeah, chicken tikka masala is on the menu tonight. Okay, that's it. How to make tikka paste, super simple, just get the ingredients right and it's gonna be delicious. Okay, give it a try. I hope you enjoy it and I will see you later. Bye bye everyone and stay safe. Thanks for watching.